notice I don't have any earrings on, but I have amazing things to show you when it comes to earrings. We've been waiting for this product for over a year now. I wear them almost every day, and I'm gonna show you all the different ways that you can use these new Huggie earrings. The Huggie earrings are gonna be some click back loops and hoops. We also have some rectangles, 6 different ones, 3 sizes, 2 shapes, 2 finishes. I'm gonna show you a bunch of different ideas and why these earrings are amazing to make interchangeable designs. So after waiting months for these, it is really awesome to be able to have them. We have gold and silver in both of these. They are plated and really high quality from Greece. You're going to have them available in 12mm round, 16mm hoop rounds, and then our squares here. The Huggies hug your ear. They're meant to be a little bit smaller, a little bit closer to the ear, and then they have a little click back, so they're nice and secure. I wear them to bed, wear them alone. I like the little short ones, and I love, love, love them for travel. If you're making different things and you don't want to have a ton of ear wires, you have not sure what you want to wear for the day, basically what I do is I make a bunch of little drop downs like this here on headpins, a little bunch of charms that I can wear whatever I want for the day. So if I have these little charms, gold, silver, doesn't matter, I can mix and match, and I want to open up my Huggie for the day, I open that up, slide on whatever I want to wear, whether or not it's 1, 2, 3, and you just need to make sure at about a 2.5, 2.5, 2 to 2.5 millimeter thickness that you make your loops on your head pins big enough to fit over that. So I can put on all of them, I can put on one of them. You can take an easy bead that you find if you want to also and just turn it in right away to a dangle, again making sure that it fits. So then what I can do is, this is a great gift. You're gifting a bunch of different things that you can hang down with a pair of your Huggies, and you can wear whatever you want for that day. You can even go a little bit more creative, making some jewelry with some wire guards at the top if you want to do some seed beads. And you may just need to go in there with your plier here and kind of open that up a little bit to fit more on that Huggie earring. Then you can take whatever Huggie earring you want. You can take all of these ear wires and fun creations that you make, and those can hang down as well on your hoop earrings. Not only that, but during one of our design lives, I even showed how you could take some cotton cord or some of this wax linen cord, make it a loop at the top, and again, have that hang down on the 12mm, the 16mm, whatever hoop you want to be able to wear for that day. The other thing that I wanted to show quickly and just really easily is how you can take crystals and make a bunch of different rings that you can stack on your piece as well. So I have here just a piece of thread, and it's thread that I was working on with one of my projects, and I'm gonna make a crystal loop. This doesn't need to be crystals. This could be seed beads. This could be anything really that you want it to be. The only rule is you're gonna need to make it big enough to go around that loop. So this one here, I'm just picking up beads, putting them on my needles, dropping them down. I have some bicones here in different colors and different sizes. Drop them down to the bottom of your thread. Take them and tie the thread into a knot. There's one. Here's knot number 2. Pull that nice and tight so you don't have any extra thread showing. Take your needle and thread, go through the next bead or 2, pull that knot in towards the interior of one of the beads, grab your thread burner, burn off your thread edges, one there, one on this side, burn them close next to the project so that you don't actually see the extra thread here. And then you can put them on your Huggies, whatever you want. So if I decide I have this blue dress on today, I'm gonna take my blue loop and my black ring and wear the two together. If I wanna feel a little patriotic, I can make more in the pink. And whether or not you have silver, gold, if you make the crystals in all different colors, you can hang down on any finish, doesn't matter, and then you can clip them and wear them for the day with the little blue loop on top of the gold. Or on top of the black, excuse me. You can use any combination of any of these beads, something a little bit more dramatic, hang down, and switch. Just literally have a little ramekin or a little dish full of these. Also, if you watch some of the wireworking videos, you can make little charms, use some jump rings, 18 gauge jump rings with any beads that you want, and hang those down as well too. So these are amazing earrings that you're going to get to make interchangeable. Change out what you want. If you want to make a bunch of crystal hoops, if you want to make a bunch of dangles on your head pins, if you want to take some plain wire and even play around with it here, creating some loops, squiggles, and if you watch some of our wire videos here, you can make little loops, put a bead on the bottom, play around, and really create. The great thing is with these Huggies, they are interchangeable. So you can wear whatever you want for the day. I want that, and I'm just gonna stick a little red crystal on top. Look, earrings good to go. I also love these for gift giving. So if I want to give somebody a Christmas gift and I'm not exactly sure what I want to give or what the earring's going to look like, all I have to do is purchase one pair of Huggies and then give a bunch of beads in different locations. If I want to, this could hang in front, this could hang behind. So you just play around, make a bunch of things to hang down on these amazing clip-back Huggie earrings. So, no earrings to wear today? Problem solved. I get my Huggies, I put on whatever I want to wear for that day to match my outfit, and I can wear those, switch them out, make them quickly. Again, a great gift thing as we get ready for the holiday season, and a great way to use up a lot of your stash beads. Seed bead hoops, loops, beaded beads are another thing that are great for these as well that you can slide over the end. Remember, if you do need any materials, like these Huggies in different sizes, finishes, and shapes, go ahead and look below the video in the description and we will put links there for you to grab your first pair or 2 or 3 or 4 of your Huggie earrings to start creating and wearing really every day.